Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Solishai Sakem, aka So Thirsty, and you're welcome again to another recipe. So on today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make spinach in two different ways. One way with EGUSI and another way with just tomatoes and other ingredients, which I will be showing you. So on the table here are the things needed for the recipe, and I will start from behind. So over here I have my chopped tomatoes, I have the spinach, of course. So I'm using the frozen spinach. I let it out overnight, squeeze out the water, and this is how it looks like. You can as well use fresh one if you want. I have EGUSI, I have some fresh shrimps, chopped bell pepper, some onions, over here I have dried or smoked chicken. In here I have dried ginger, garlic, white and black pepper, some paprika powder, some chopped chili pepper, and seasoning cubes. Here I have some grounded crayfish, salt. Here I have also a mixture of ginger, garlic, onion, white pepper, and chili pepper. And here I have some chopped beef. So now that we already have everything needed for the recipe, we are going to start the cooking. To the first recipe, add some oil into the pot and let it hot. Next, I will add my chopped beef. So this beef was already seasoned and cooked with some garlic, ginger, white pepper, salt, and seasoning cube for taste. After it is fried, you don't want to fry it too long. Let it out of the heat. Next, I will add the shrimps to fry. The shrimps was also seasoned with the same spices: ginger, garlic, salt, some seasoning cube. After frying that, you also want to take it off the heat. Again, don't let it fry for too long. After which, add some onion into the oil and let it fry for like 2 minutes. Next, you add your tomatoes, stir it very well, let it on the heat for like 5 minutes. After which, this is how it looks like. So all the water has dried off. Next, I will be adding all the dried ingredients, which are garlic powder, white pepper, ginger powder, and the chopped habanero pepper, also known as chili pepper. Next, I'll be adding some seasoning cubes, some of the crayfish, give it a good stir, and then the next thing I will add the fried beef and shrimps. I'm going to give that a good stir until everything is well combined. The next I will add will be the chopped bell pepper, and you also want to give that a very good stir until everything is well combined. Next, I will be adding the spinach. After adding the spinach, you want to give it a proper stir until everything is well combined, well mixed into the tomatoes. After mixing this, you cover and let it simmer for like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, voila, we are done with the first recipe. Just look at how it looks, just like huckleberry, what we call country jama in Cameroon. You can eat this with yam, fufu, plantain, whatever your choice may be. The second recipe. So I already had my tomatoes cooking in a pot. To these tomatoes, I'm going to add my EGUSI puree. The EGUSI was mixed with the meat stock and the blended spices together. After adding it to the tomatoes, I am going to let it cook for 10 minutes. After which, I will give it a good stir and add up my meat with the meat stock. Give it a proper mix. After everything is well mixed, I will add some salt and some seasoning cube. I will give that a proper stir and let it cook again for the next 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I want to give it a proper good stir again so that everything is well combined and to make sure that it's not burning under. Next, I will add the grounded crayfish. Mix again. I will add some water. Do not add too much of water, just a little bit to let it cook again for another 5 minutes. Make sure your EGUSI is well cooked to avoid diarrhea later. Next, after 5 minutes, I will add the spinach into the EGUSI. And I will give that a proper stir. So give this a proper stir until everything is well combined, meaning the spinach is well mixed into the EGUSI. After stirring it, I will cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. So guys, in the description box below, I will put everything that was used or was needed for this recipe. After 5 minutes, you can see the vegetable at this point is ready. Give it a proper mix, taste if all your aroma is enough for you. So guys, it can be eaten with anything, fufu, yam, plantain, etc. If you've been watching till this moment, please kindly give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, leave a comment below on which of the recipe you prefer and will try. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.